Have you ever looked back and wondered what you might have done differently? Living alone after 70 brings a mix of freedom and quiet moments many never expected. The choices we put off can quietly shape how peaceful those years become. Today we are looking at 10 things every senior living alone regrets not doing sooner, and if even one feels familiar, keep watching. Living alone after 70 is not something anyone really prepares you for. One day you are surrounded by a full household, and the next you are adjusting to a much quieter rhythm. This brings independence, but also challenges that catch you off guard. Countless seniors share the same reflection, wishing they had done things sooner rather than later. These are simple, practical steps that make a real difference, and once you hear them, you may recognize a few in your own life. Let us begin. Number 1. Building a strong support network early. Many seniors admit they waited too long to build a circle of people they could count on. Having a few trusted neighbors or friends who check in regularly is essential when living alone. Asking for help becomes harder the longer you wait. A quiet call from a neighbor or a standing coffee date with a friend carries more weight than people realize. Building this network early, rather than waiting for a crisis, is one of the most common regrets. Think about who in your own life could become part of that circle starting today. Number 2. Learning basic home and financial organization. Household and financial matters were often shared responsibilities for many years. Living alone means understanding where documents are kept and how bills are paid. Many wish they had organized this into one clear place much sooner. A simple folder with insurance and account details can save enormous confusion later. This peace of mind is not just practical, it is emotional, and it makes every year feel calmer. Even setting aside one afternoon to gather these papers can lift a weight you did not realize you were carrying. Number 3. Staying physically active before it becomes harder. Movement is taken for granted until it becomes difficult. Many seniors say their biggest regret is not staying active earlier, before certain movements became painful. Daily walks or light stretching, done consistently, preserve strength and balance far longer than expected. The goal is not intensity, it is consistency, and even 10 minutes a day adds up over time. Staying active is not about staying young, it is about staying capable and reducing the risk of falls. Many wish they had started this habit far earlier. Number 4. Keeping technology skills updated for connection and safety. Technology can feel intimidating, but learning even the basics sooner would have saved many seniors from feeling isolated. A video call with a grandchild, a medical alert device, or a basic smartphone can mean the difference between feeling connected and feeling forgotten. Taking small steps, one feature at a time, makes it manageable. Many devices today are built with larger buttons and simpler menus, made specifically with older adults in mind. Learning these tools is really about staying connected to the people you love. Before we continue to number 5, here is a question for you. Out of the first 4 things mentioned, which one did you handle early, and which one do you wish you had started sooner? If this video is speaking to you, please take a moment to like it, share it with someone living alone, and subscribe to this channel for more honest conversations. Then write your answer in the comments below. We would love to hear from you. Number 5. Creating a simple safety plan for emergencies. Many seniors never thought about what would happen if something went wrong while home alone, until it actually happened. A simple plan, such as emergency numbers by the phone or an agreement with a neighbor to check in daily, provides real security. This is not about living in fear. It is about being prepared so that fear has less room to grow. Many wish they had created this plan the day they started living alone. Number 6. Nurturing friendships and social connections. Proactively. Friendships require effort at every stage of life, but many underestimated how much effort was needed once living alone. It becomes easy to let weeks pass without reaching out, and isolation quietly sets in. Loneliness rarely announces itself loudly. It creeps in slowly, one skipped visit at a time. Reaching out first, rather than waiting for others to call, is a small shift many wish they had embraced much earlier. Number 7. Downsizing and organizing belongings. A home filled with decades of memories can also become filled with clutter that makes daily life harder. Many wish they had started downsizing sooner, simply to make their space easier and safer. Letting go of items does not mean letting go of memories, since photographs and meaningful items can still be kept and displayed proudly. A simpler home often leads to a calmer state of mind, and many say they felt lighter than expected once the clutter was finally gone. Number 8. Talking openly with family about wishes and needs. Difficult conversations about health and future care are often avoided because they feel uncomfortable. Many seniors say their biggest regret is waiting too long to have these honest conversations with family. Clearly sharing your wishes removes a heavy burden from the people who love you. These conversations do not need to happen all at once. They can unfold naturally over time. What matters most is starting them before a crisis forces it to happen suddenly. Number 9. Finding new hobbies and sources of purpose. When a career or raising a family comes to an end, many find themselves with more free time than expected. Seniors who thrive often say the secret was finding something that gave their days purpose again, whether gardening, painting, or volunteering. Purpose does not have to be grand. It simply has to be meaningful to you. Many wish they had explored new interests sooner, instead of waiting until they felt empty first. A hobby discovered early can become a steady source of joy for years to come. Number 10. Making peace with change and embracing this new chapter. Perhaps the deepest regret shared by many seniors is spending years resisting this new chapter, instead of accepting it. Living alone after decades of a fuller household can feel like a loss at first. But many say that once they made peace with this new phase, they discovered a quiet strength they never knew they had. This chapter can be defined by what is still possible rather than what was left behind. Living alone after 70 is not something to fear, but it rewards those who prepare for it with intention. Each of these 10 things points to one simple truth, that small choices made early can shape a peaceful life alone. If this video reminded you of something you want to start doing differently, please take a moment to like this video, share it with someone who might need to hear it, and subscribe to this channel for more conversations like this one. Whatever chapter you are in right now, it is never too late to start building the life you truly want.